Hello everyone, this is Momobi's Smart Home. Today we are introducing the Tuya Zigbee Solar Light Sensor. This sensor is powered by solar panels and can detect brightness in real time. Before pairing, please make sure you have paired the Tuya Zigbee gateway in advance. Open the sensor base, press and hold the button for a few seconds. You will see the indicator light flashing. Then, add the device on the Tuya Zigbee gateway page. After the device is successfully added, you can rename the device. The sensor will continuously monitor the ambient light brightness. When the brightness changes, the brightness parameters of the app interface will also change accordingly. There are more functions in the app, such as setting smart scene linkage, viewing history, etc. For more information about smart home products, you can contact us at any time. Thank you.